few weeks ago, over at the Sedalia Fairground, there was a blacksmith exhibition. So I went over there with my trusty video camera, and I've got some pretty good videos which I'm going to put on now. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, and if you do like it, please subscribe. I would appreciate it very, very much. And comment if you want, and I will reply to all the comments, and give me a thumbs up. Very much appreciated. Thank you. If you stay to the end of this video, I hope you do, but I took some photographs of a horse, and this horse was made out of horseshoes, and I found it really, really interesting how they do that. It must take hours for them to do it. I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, sir. Good question. So he's running what's called the mandrel. So if we start out on one end, he has to run the mandrel in from this end. And so, anyway, so the mandrel's not long enough to reach it. So you start in the middle so he can run the mandrel in, and we work all the way out to that end, mandreling it every single time. Then we flip it around and we'll start in the middle again. His mandrel's still long enough to come in from this way. So, yep. Correct, yep, exactly. So, I'm always on the hunt for wagon wheel rings. The old wagon wheel rings from the 1800s, a lot of them on those bigger wagons, they were 3 inches wide or 3 1/4 wide, and that is perfect to start with. And so those work great. A lot of people say that. Okay, go ahead and pull it out if you can. But if your hole's off center, that's okay. Typically, you can put the... You only weld about a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch at a time. It's a lot of grip to your neck. A 1/4 to a 1/2 inch at a time. It's a lot of grip to your neck. And I'll just tell them, well, you can help me forge one, maybe you'll find out. And it's because you can't put a time on it. It's just, it's done when it's done. And you're done when you're done. Because really, after
Chisels and stuff here, didn't